This video shows two new features added to Iconify Against's website: changing stroke widths and removing SVG animations. Changing stroke width is easy. Pick any icon that uses stroke, change value of the stroke width option, or use slider to make it thinner or thicker. If an icon uses multiple stroke widths, like this icon, you can customize all of them. Removing SVG animations is a very useful feature if you want to use animated icons in design software. This is what happens if you try to import animated SVG in PenPot. As you can see, this icon is broken. This is because design tools do not support modern SVG animations. If you click the option to disable animations, copy SVG to clipboard and paste it to a design tool, it will work. Icon will not have animations, but at least you can use it in designs. Sometimes this is actually preferable because animation does not distract you while designing a website. This is all for now, thank you for watching. More features are coming soon.